Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard about the Yao women of China? These women are world famous for their floor-length, thick, and shiny black hair. Even in their 70s and 80s, most of them don't have a single gray strand. So what's their secret? It's not an expensive product or a salon treatment. Their magic lies in something you already have in your kitchen: rice. Rice is more than food. It's a hair growth miracle packed with amino acids, vitamins B, C, and E, minerals, and inositol, nutrients that strengthen roots, repair damage, and regrow hair up to 10x faster. And today, I'll show you the 3 most powerful rice-based remedies: rice hair oil, rice hair serum, and rice water toner. The third one will shock you, and after watching this, you'll never throw away rice water again. Recipe 1. Rice hair oil, double infusion for strong roots. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons crushed rice, 1 cup coconut oil, 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, 2 vitamin E capsules, 5 to 6 drops rosemary essential oil. Method: at night, add crushed rice to coconut oil and leave it to infuse overnight. Next morning, heat this infused oil on low flame. Add fresh aloe vera gel and let it simmer for a few minutes. Allow it to cool, then mix in vitamin E and rosemary essential oil. Benefits: strengthens weak roots and reduces hair fall. Coconut oil nourishes the scalp deeply. Aloe vera hydrates and adds natural shine. Rosemary boosts circulation and promotes faster regrowth. Right finger, this double infusion oil is much stronger than normal rice oil, giving your hair a powerful dose of nutrients. Recipe 2. Rice hair serum, smooth and silky growth booster. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rice, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 5 to 6 drops peppermint essential oil. Method: soak rice and flax seeds overnight in water. The next morning, heat the mixture on low flame. Strain it, let it cool, then add peppermint essential oil. Benefits: repairs damaged strands and fights frizz. Flax seeds provide omega-3 and natural gel for silky smooth hair. Rice strengthens hair from root to tip. Peppermint oil stimulates scalp circulation and speeds up growth. This serum works like a natural hair polisher. Your hair becomes smoother, shinier, and healthier after every use. Recipe 3. Rice water toner, the shocking growth secret. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rice, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon rosemary leaves, 1 teaspoon glycerin, 5 to 6 drops lavender essential oil. Method: soak rice, fenugreek seeds, and rosemary overnight in water. Strain the liquid the next morning. Add glycerin and lavender essential oil. Benefits: stimulates sleeping follicles for 10x faster regrowth. Fenugreek fights dandruff and strengthens roots. Rosemary prevents thinning and bald spots. Lavender calms the scalp while glycerin locks in moisture. This toner is pure liquid gold for your hair. After trying it once, you'll never waste rice water again. So now you know the ancient Yao women's secret: rice. By using this complete rice hair care trio, oil, serum, and toner, you can stop hair fall, nourish your scalp, and regrow hair naturally, up to 10x faster. Don't wait another day of hair loss. Start today, and watch your hair transform into longer, thicker, shinier, and healthier strands. Just like the Yao women of China and the Japanese women known for their timeless hair secrets. Thank you for watching.